Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to install applications on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Let's get started, but firstly don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, to install an application, firstly make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi by swiping down, opening the control panel and clicking on this settings icon. After this, right here click on connections. Here click on Wi-Fi. And right here you can see it turned on or turned off. I know I connected to a Wi-Fi before, so right here you can see that I am connected. If not, check out the video on our channel how to connect to a Wi-Fi. Now, open the Google Play Store application by swiping up and clicking on this icon. After this, you can scroll down and see some applications that your watch can suggest you. But if you know what do you want exactly, click on this search. And right here enter the name of the application. For example, Google. And click on this search icon. After this, you would be able to see the results of your search. When you are done and you find the application that you want to download, click on it and right here click on install. And that's all. After this, the application will install and you can start using it. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.